Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Friday and marks the last trading day of the week. So before we go to the chart, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today, as we all know, we are expecting the non-farm payrolls data to be released. And if you look at it, you can see that we're expecting negative news today. The remaining two, unemployment and average hourly earnings, they're all neutral. So we're actually expecting negative news. Is it really going to happen like that or not? And also 325, Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaks. All right, so let's go back to the chart. And if you look at yesterday was one of the craziest days as gold dropped 1,160 pips. And right after the drop, it flew additional 780 pips. So yesterday was massive. Yesterday was massive. Okay, so what happened? What's going to happen today? What's likely to happen? Now, if you look at yesterday, look at it very well, you can see the daily break and retest, but of course, the market tested this level nicely. But look at where it closed. That's strange. Look at where it closed. All this shit. The market still closed like this. Does it mean that today we are going to push higher or we are going to push lower again? If you look at how it closed, there is a possibility that we are going to push higher. All right. So let's go to H4. Now, if you look at H4 too, you can see that the break and retest, the breakout, the market's retested. And after that, you see that it's finding it's very difficult to push up now. It's still testing, respecting this level. So all we need to do is to exercise patience and watch. All right. Patience and watch. Should we expect crazy momentum today, just like it did yesterday? The answer is, if you look at the previous day test NFP for license, I think September 2024, you can see that during NFP, it's no longer push that 300, 500 pips movement. So today, I'm not really expecting too much from NFP because yesterday it already made the move. All right. Yeah. So if that is the case, can we expect a push to 35 for it to drop? Or can we expect a push down to 30.85 for the market to go up again? These two scenarios both can play out. It can pump all the way to 31.35 and then drop back to 30.86, or it can just drop all the way to 30.86 and then push all the way to the upside. So these are the possible outcomes we should expect during NFP today. All right, so H1 is not really giving me any good thing, honestly. H1 is not really giving me anything. Looking at what's happening here, see that the market has been consolidating for how many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For almost 9 hours, the market has just been here, not going anywhere. So like I said, during NFP, it's either the market will drop all the way here and push up, or it will push all the way here and push down back here, and maybe it can find its way to the upside again, right? So all are possible outcomes. Again, it can also push all the way to 53 and drop back here. All right. Yeah, so just watch, okay? Just watch. And once you get opportunity, you can go in and trade. If you don't get any opportunity, you sit back and you watch. Okay? Yeah. So I'm not going to draw any match zones. I will stick to these lines I have on the chart. Now, when the market, with the news releases, I will see what is going to happen. If you haven't subscribed to the Telegram channel, you can go and join. The link is in the bio. And if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel as well, just make sure you subscribe. If you are watching from TikTok and you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, the link is in the bio. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any video update. So if you look at 30 minutes is also, what is it doing 30 minutes? Yeah, so looking at 30 minutes has potential to drop all the way to 30.65. So with H1, we can come to 30.85, but with 30 minutes, you see we have a nice level there. So 30.65 can also touch, but critically 30.75. All right. Yeah, so when the news releases, be open. Be open. If I see anything, I will share. If I don't see anything, you trade by yourself. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video and have a nice day.